What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at some of the best folding e-bikes on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 5. Radixband 5 Plus Electric Folding Bike. When it comes to folding electric bikes, the Radixband 5 Plus stands out as a top contender. With cutting-edge features and a sleek design, this e-bike offers a perfect blend of functionality, safety, and convenience for riders of all levels. Priced at $2,099, this bike is an investment in quality and innovation. Front suspension. The Radixband 5 Plus is equipped with a hydraulic front suspension fork that ensures a smoother ride over rough terrain, making it ideal for both city streets and rugged trails. Hydraulic disc brakes. Safety is a top priority with the Radixband 5 Plus. The bike features fast-acting hydraulic disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power in all weather conditions. Turn signals. Enhance your visibility on the road with rear-facing turn signals, a feature that sets this e-bike apart from others in its class. Retractable pedals. The Radixband 5 Plus is designed with space saving in mind. The retractable pedals make storage even easier, whether you're in a cramped apartment or packing for a road trip. Advanced torque sensor. This new addition responds to the way you ride, offering a more intuitive and responsive experience. Harder you pedal, the more power the bike provides. Size and fit. Designed for riders between 4'10" and 5'10", the Radixband 5 Plus offers a comfortable fit, the 30-inch bike inseam. Number 4. Sohamo S3 Electric Bike for Adults. The Sohamo S3 electric bike is a robust, versatile, and foldable e-bike designed for adults looking for a reliable and powerful ride. Equipped with a 750-watt brushless motor, a long-lasting battery, and a host of features that enhance comfort and safety, this bike is a solid choice for daily commutes, weekend adventures, and everything in between. 750-watt brushless motor. The Sohamo S3 comes with a powerful 750 watts motor that can peak at 1100 watts, offering a stable riding experience with a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour. This motor allows you to conquer off-road terrains and slopes up to 25 degrees with ease. The 5-level pass pedal assist system helps you adjust the level of assistance for a more personalized and less strenuous ride. Long-lasting battery. Unlike many e-bikes that come with smaller batteries, the Sohamo S3 is powered by a 48-volt 15-amp-hour removable battery, providing a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge. There's also a 20-amp-hour option that can extend your range to 60 miles. The battery is easily removable and comes with a key lock, allowing you to charge it separately from the bike, making it convenient for daily use. Front fork suspension. This e-bike features dual front suspension, which, combined with a 7-speed gear system, allows you to tackle all types of terrain comfortably. Whether you're climbing hills or cruising on flat surfaces, the Sohamo S3 provides a smooth and safe ride. Number 3. Mate City. Sleek, smart, and agile. Elevate your daily commute with the Mate City, a foldable e-bike designed to blend functionality with style. Ideal for navigating city streets, the Mate City offers a practical solution for urban commuters who seek a blend of performance, convenience, and elegance. Powerful motor. The Mate City is equipped with a robust 250-watt rear-drive motor. This motor provides rapid acceleration and optimizes your riding range, ensuring a smooth and efficient commute. Extended range. With a smart battery capable of delivering up to 80 kilometers, 50 miles, on a single charge, the Mate City is well suited for longer trips across varied terrain. The range may vary based on road conditions, riding settings, and rider weight. Impressive speed. The combination of a powerful motor and high-voltage battery supports speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour, 15.5 miles per hour, making it a reliable choice for getting around the city quickly. Number 2. Tern GSD S10. The Tern GSD S10 stands out as a premier electric cargo bike designed to replace a car for various daily tasks. With its robust build, powerful motor, and extensive range, it's tailored for those who need a versatile and reliable transportation solution. Whether you're transporting groceries, kids, or cargo, GSD-S10 promises exceptional performance and convenience. Bosch Cargo Line Motor. The GSD-S10 is equipped with a Bosch Cargo Line motor, delivering up to 85 Nm of torque and 400% support. This powerful motor ensures smooth and effortless riding, even when carrying heavy loads. Dual battery system. Bike features a Bosch dual battery system with options of 400 watt-hours and 900 watt-hours, providing a combined range of up to 195 kilometers, 121 miles on a single charge. This extended range makes the GSD-S10 ideal for long trips and heavy daily use. Shimano Dior 110 10-Speed Hub. 10-Speed Hub offers smooth and efficient shifting, allowing for a comfortable ride across various terrains. Atlas Lock Stand. This heavy-duty stand auto-locks when engaged, providing stability and security when parked. Simply press a button on the handlebars to unlock it when you're ready to ride. Heavy-duty frame and rear rack. The GSD-S10 features a robust frame-integrated rear rack and integrated lower decks, designed to carry significant cargo with ease. Number 1. GoCycle G4 Electric Bike. The GoCycle G4 is a revolutionary e-bike that combines cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and unmatched portability. Designed by Richard Thorpe, a former McLaren Cars engineer, the GoCycle G4 is part of the Generation 4 series, which includes the G4, G4i, and G4i Plus models. This bike is perfect for urban riders who value convenience, performance, and style. The GoCycle G4 is ideal for urban commuters, cyclists who need a portable solution for mixed-mode travel, and anyone looking for a high-quality e-bike that's easy to store and transport. Its lightweight design, weighing in at just 16.6 kilograms, makes it one of the most portable e-bikes on the market. Whether you need to take it on a train, store it in your car's trunk, or tuck it away at home, the GoCycle G4's fast-folding mechanism makes it incredibly versatile. G4 Drive Motor. The G4 is equipped with the new G4 Drive motor, which provides a quieter and more powerful ride. This motor offers better low-speed start capability and increased torque, ensuring a smooth and responsive experience even on challenging terrain. Carbon fiber front fork. The single-sided carbon fiber front fork is a standout feature of the G4. This design not only reduces weight, but also enhances performance by reducing stress on the bike's frame. Mechanical microshifting. The GoCycle G4 features a mechanical twist grip, shifting through its 3 gears. Housed in the patented Clean Drive,